Looking for septic tank installation and repair in Strathcona County. At Kingstree Plumbing, we understand the importance of a reliable septic system for your home or business. Our septic tank installation and repair services in Strathcona County cover everything from new system installations to emergency repairs, ensuring your property has a long-lasting and effective solution. Whether you're dealing with a failing system, need a new septic tank installed, or just want preventative maintenance, we've got you covered. In Strathcona County, we know that proper installation and regular maintenance are essential for avoiding costly problems down the road, which is why our team provides specialised solutions tailored to your specific needs. Keep watching to see why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for septic tank installation and repair in Strathcona County.